Hi there, this is Marissa from DigitalScrapbook.com, and today I'm going to show you how to use Artboards in Illustrator. You can see here I have this file open in Illustrator, and I mainly like to use these Artboards when I'm creating pocket cards because you can kind of easily create the same design in 5 different sizes or whatever kind of sizes you want. I can turn off this color here so you can see here that I like to make mine. This is Traveler notebook size. This is 4 by 8. I have 3 by 8. I have 3 by 4, 4 by 4, and then 4 by 6. And so it's kind of nice to have all of these open at once so that you can just kind of move stuff around and make the card 5 different ways. And so to start out with here, we'll just come up here, we'll say new. And we just want to start with one of these sizes. So I'm just going to go ahead. I'll start with Traveler Notebook, which would be 4 by 8. And I'm just going to go ahead and start that. All right, so now you can see here I have my first artboard here. And then if we want to make another one, we're going to come up here to Document Setup. And then we'll come here to Edit Artboards. And I'm just going to drag this here. That's going to be a 3 by 8. And then I just hit Enter after I had drawn that artboard. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just set this here to exactly 3 by 8 and say OK. And then I can kind of drag that here. I'm just going to drag it down to line it up. And then when I come over here, you can see this, my mouse has turned into this icon. So then I'm just going to draw one here. I'm going to hit Enter on my keyboard, which will bring this up 3 by 4. And actually, you know what? I want to rename this to 3 by 4 so that when I export these later, they're named with their size. I'm going to drag that one here. Again, I'm going to drag over here. I bet if I hold down, I'm going to do that and then hit Enter. And let's see, I'm going to make this one 4 by 4. And I'll rename this one 4 by 4. Okay, and then I'm going to draw one last one, hit Enter. So this one's going to be 6 by 4. Oh, I'm going to name it 4 by 6. Okay, so this one here, I'm just going to hit Enter on these again so that I can rename these 3 by 8. Okay, and then this one I'm going to call Traveler's Notebook. Okay, so now you have all your canvases here, and I'm just going to come back over here and select this to get out of the artboard. And so then these are here, and so you can just go about like you usually would. I can make I make the background color what I want. It's important, even if it's white, you still want to set this as white because otherwise it will export transparent. So if you want it to have a background, put that in there. And then you can come about and make your little design. And then you can just copy paste to the different, let's align these up here. I'll put that in a group, and then I can just so if I come over here to align, you can see that this artboard is selected, and so it will align to that one. If I copy paste this over here and I align it here, you can see it's going to align it to this one because this is the one that's selected. So then we can go ahead and make a quick little pattern here. So I'll click on that one so I can align that there. And then it is nice because I can also easily if I want to, make this fit this card better, I can just easily do that. And then we'll make a last one down here. Drag these a bit more. Okay. All right. So then once you're done with that and you want to save these, you can come up here. We want to actually have something selected because we want to do got to have something selected there. So we can do export selection. And then we want to come over here to artboards. So you can see here, they're all here. And right now they're all checked. So if you uncheck them, then it won't get exported. And then down here, you can give it a prefix. So luckily we've already named all those artboards, so they'll come out. And so if I just give this, call this card 1, and then I can choose here a location. on my desktop where I want them to save, and then hit export, and they'll all be saved. And so I've just found this is a really easy way to create multiple sizes of the same design. And I actually just yesterday figured out how to do this in Photoshop. So I'm going to create a new tutorial and I will show you how to do this in Photoshop as well. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.